They have fallen far from Eywa.
Because they use metal?
Because their hearts are filled with hate.
Why do they hate us? I mean, we didn't do anything, right? Okay, to the RDA we did a lot, but not to them.
I do not know why they have allied. The RDA kill out of greed, but the Monk One, they seem to find pleasure in causing pain.
You sound pretty calm about it. Aren't you ever scared at all?
Fear does not serve, but I still feel it.
Sure hope he knows what he's doing.
Unbelievable.
Priya, this is more than a few things.
Oh!
Keep talking.
Hey, Solek, I found that Sector 12 you were looking for. It's in the Silkwoods. There's an RDA site there with Mongquan activity.
Good work, Talon.
Why did you want to know? About that one, specifically.
The tour is searching for one of the Monk One, from the Rookery.
Because of Talu? I heard some of the Ash talking about what happened. What Rak did. I would feel the same if someone did that to Ada.
Oh, you're home. What do you think?
Why did you move my map?
Technically, it's my map that you're using, and I thought it would look nicer like that. Easier to see.
Priya...
Don't hate me.
I hope you are here with a location for me.
You are still set on this.
Look around at all that has happened. I cannot let this go.
Then I'm with you.
I know you think I am wrong for this. I have asked the Great Mother to guide me, but my heart, my home, I feel so empty.
Hey, we'll hollow you out.
You have killed Monk One. Did you feel hollow then?
It brought no satisfaction.
Still, you would do it again.
The Monk One have abandoned me. We will keep killing.
Perhaps the Sky People's corruption has spread to us.
Talon, I see an antenna on a high vantage point.
That's part of the RDA's new relay network. Can you shut it down?
Sky People,
We take them out first.
See their dwellings? There are Monk One here, somewhere. Sky People, listen.
That's all. We love to use us as target practice for all that cool gear we give them. Doesn't matter anyway. The commander sent him away.
Did he? Good. Less likely to catch a stray bullet and see some action.
My thoughts exactly. love to use us as target practice for all that cool gear we get them. Ah. Doesn't matter anyway. The commander sent him away.
Did he? Good. Less likely to catch a stray bullet when we see some action.
The monk one may be gone already. The way is blocked.
Easy fix. Talon, the two and I are inside the RDA site. This is the monk one.
If you can get into the control room, I could check out the security reports. See what I find.
We need the control room.
Where is that?
Usually somewhere central.
Stop there. The door is open. Where are you?
Over here. Follow my voice. See the button on the wall? A small shape. Push it down.
Sky people tools are strange. Why is everything locked?
The humans are cautious. I will find a way to open it.
Okay, you're right by the control room. The one with the glass walls.
Itua, we need to get to the office straight ahead, but quietly.
These Ash are so all killers, man.
You'll see. We'll burn down every damn thing in this place. Insurgents will have nowhere else.
See those stairs? They lead to the control center.
Hard contact. All units, we have Navi in the...
Lamanquan, where is he? Answer me!
You're too late, Aranahe. We're picking up your chief soon. Bukowski's gonna do the interrogating himself.
You are lying! Give me the Manquan!
Tiat? He'll pull your chief apart.
No, no, no! Where? Tell me where!
Itua!
Tell me!
She is dead, and reinforcements are coming. We need to leave.
My father.
She could have lied to you. Kamat may be safe. Go. Check the camp. I will meet you there.
I copy!
Scanning for the hostile. There's pursuit! Scanning for the hostile.
Sutlek, the human did not lie. My father is not here, and no one has seen him. I have checked his hunting spots, but nothing. There is one more.
Ilay will take you there faster.
He went hunting to give the clan hope. He took a risk because I was not there for my people.
Karnak would have gone hunting whether you were there or not.
Still, I abandoned him. I let my rage for Rak and Tiat consume me. Demons! Can you stop them?
Not without risk to your father.
Then follow them, please. We will see where they land.
Good, Ilay.
Talon, it looks like the RDA are guarding a radio tower in the mountains.
I think they built them high up to cut out interference. Can you see the tower's power source? Shutting that down will do the trick.
I got lucky.
Locals have no chill, man. Doesn't matter if they're 15 or 150. Well, yeah, well, now.
Moving up.
Start high, I will go low. We can meet in the tower. Talon, I'm inside an RDA control tower. Kana has been taken for interrogation.
Bukowski took the Olo Ektan? That's unexpected. He must be getting desperate.
Or more cruel.
I'll dig into the reports, see if I can find Katna. I hope he's okay. He's tough and all, but so's the RDA.
Nothing yet. No sign of him. You?
Talon, any sign of Katna?
Can you get into the tower's control?
Control room, yes, I am already here.
Look at you, learning. Do you see a terminal you can overload? It'll drop the firewall, and I can get into their systems. That did it! Let me see. Okay. You should see him on the screen right about now.
He is hurt. What have they done to him?
I'm sure he did not come here peacefully.
Looks like the RDA are prepping to sedate him before flying out again. Probably to Bukowski. I also found something else. This is the Mongquan you're looking for, right?
That is Tiat. He is here. Ah! Right here. Sokolov.
We are running out of time. Decide, Etua. Who do we go to?
This fight has brought me nothing but more pain, more hate. I will not be made hollow, and I will not risk my father's life to chase the shadows of my anger. He is all that matters now.
Then we go get him.
Face our hands. Marines take pride in keeping the gear tight.
Metal beasts, careful. Can you open it? Father!
Etua, it is not safe for you here.
Or for you. You are hurt.
I can still fight.
Lean on me. I will keep you safe.
Follow when you can. I will scout ahead.
Saleh, quickly! I can see the cell. Can you open it? Saleh, quickly! I can see the cell. Can you open it?
Monquan. I lost him. He could be anywhere.
Great Mother, place him in my path.
You want to fight him?
Dua deserves her revenge, though I knew she would never take it. She has not fallen so low. But I have.
You! Solek! Are you brave enough to face me this time? Or will fear make you fly away again?
Go to your mother. Dua, come through. The path is safe.
You found him, and did what I could not.
A threat silenced. And still, it is unnatural to see one of the people this way.
You tried to turn me from the fire, but never judged me for it.
I walked through that same fire. I did not want it for you.
No. Leading my people, seeing them triumph over the Monquan's cruelty. That will be my revenge.
You took on a great burden for our sake. Know that you always have a place with the Aranahe.
Irayo, Olo Ekta.
May the Great Mother guide you to the Sarentu. We will all be here for you, on the other side of the fire.